Your parents' breakfast cereal could be accelerating their memory loss. Here's what to swap it with. You wake up in the morning, shuffle to the kitchen, and make yourself what you think is a healthy breakfast. Maybe some toast, a bowl of cereal, a nice glass of juice. You feel pretty good about yourself, responsible even. But here's what your brain doctor wishes you knew. Those healthy morning choices might be quietly sabotaging your memory, your focus, and your long-term cognitive health. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to give you the truth. And the truth starts with 3 foods that neurologists and brain health specialists are increasingly alarmed about, especially for people over 60. Number 1, sweetened breakfast cereals. That colorful box with the cheerful mascot. It's essentially a bowl of sugar wearing a costume. Many popular cereals, even the ones marketed as heart-healthy or whole grain, contain anywhere from 12 to 20 grams of sugar per serving. And most people pour 2 servings without thinking twice. Here's what that does to your aging brain. It causes rapid blood sugar spikes, followed by sharp crashes. Over time, these repeated glucose roller coasters are linked to inflammation in the brain, impaired memory consolidation, and a significantly higher risk of cognitive decline. Some researchers have even started calling Alzheimer's disease type 3 diabetes, and that should make every cereal lover put down their spoon. Number 2, fruit juice. Oh, this one hurts people. It sounds so innocent, so natural, so vitamin C-ish. But here's the brutal reality. A glass of orange juice contains nearly as much sugar as a can of soda, with almost none of the fiber you'd get from eating an actual orange. Fiber is what slows glucose absorption. Without it, that juice hits your bloodstream like a freight train. For seniors, whose insulin sensitivity naturally decreases with age, this is especially dangerous. Regular juice consumption has been associated with increased visceral fat, elevated inflammation markers, and you guessed it, accelerated brain aging. Eat the orange, ditch the juice. Number 3, white toast and margarine. This one's been on breakfast tables for decades, and for decades it's been quietly doing damage. White bread is a refined carbohydrate that converts to glucose almost immediately after you eat it. It has virtually no nutritional value and creates the same blood sugar chaos as the cereal and juice we just talked about. But pair it with margarine, which often contains trans fats and inflammatory vegetable oils, and now you've got a breakfast that's actively working against your brain's white matter integrity. Studies show that diets high in refined carbs and trans fats are associated with reduced hippocampal volume. Your hippocampus is your memory center. You want it big and healthy, not shrinking over a piece of toast. Now here's the good news, and this is where things get genuinely exciting. One of the most powerful, research-backed tools for supporting brain health in your 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond is omega-3 supplementation. Specifically, high-quality fish oil with both EPA and DHA. Multiple peer-reviewed studies confirm that omega-3 fatty acids reduce neuroinflammation, support myelin sheath integrity, and are directly linked to better memory retention and slower cognitive aging. And right now, one of the highest-rated, third-party tested omega-3 supplements, the kind that actually contains therapeutic doses of DHA, is available on Amazon and linked right below this video. Think of it as the antidote to everything we just talked about. While those breakfast foods are quietly draining your brain's resources, a quality omega-3 supplement is working in the opposite direction, rebuilding, protecting, and nourishing your most important organ. It's not magic, it's biochemistry, and it works. So tomorrow morning, when you stand in your kitchen making decisions that will quite literally shape your brain's future, remember this video. Skip the cereal, skip the juice, skip the white toast. Have some eggs, some berries, some avocado, and take your omega-3. Your 80-year-old self will absolutely thank you. Link is in the description. Your brain just asked me to remind you. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.